So how do you get your eyes better? You have to understand, it's very simple, okay? The reason why your eyes are affected is because you have mucus acids accumulated in your head region, which means you also have mucus acid all over your body. Systemic acidosis, okay? Your body is acidic. So you want to alkalize the body with a diet change. So go and have some fruit diet to to get the body alkaline. The fruits will also help move the lymph system, which is a system that removes waste from your eyes, etc., from all your cells. Okay, so we need to work on the lymph system. Go and have some fruit diet. Number two, work on using herbs to cleanse the entire body. This is Fabulous 5 in kidney tea at the very least. Okay, the Fabulous 5 in kidney tea will address the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels. Okay, the kidney tea is extra support for the kidneys. It's very important you use that. Okay, then you want to clean your sinuses. Make sure you do use eye washes. On our website, we have something called eyesight tincture, a few drops twice a day. Clean your eyes, and ingest it internally as well. You also want to use ear candle eye washes. And clean your nasal passage with neti pot with essential oils. Clean your bowels. You cannot be constipated because the head sits on the GI tract. If this is constipated, you can't drain acids out. So use the bowel strength tincture. Use some enemas. Okay, change your diet. Use those herbs. Add extra herbs to push blood flow to the head region. It's called circulation 1 tincture and neurological 1 tincture. Okay, and massage your back of your head. Anything you can do to help move the mucus acids in the head region, plus the diet change. Okay, and time is all you can use to get your eyes better, because the body wants to heal. It wants to get better. We're just not giving it the opportunity to, because the diet we're eating right now keeps the body acidic. You cannot heal in a acidic medium. You can only heal in an alkaline medium. So change the diet, clean your bowels, do some enemas, use the herbs for the bowels, clean your sinuses, your ears, eyes, and nose. Okay. Use herbs for blood flow to the head region. Use herbs for the eyes. Okay, all on the website, and you just give it time. And this is how you get better. Not only will your eyes get better, but the whole body gets better, because the body works as a whole. It doesn't work in part. Okay, so you fix one thing, you fix the whole body, everything tends to get better. We just use the extra herbs for the eyes, for the head, for blood circulation to make things go a bit faster. Okay, but it's that simple. Great eyes means good diet and the right herbs.